my face cold, let it snow. Rolly ghost, let it snow. Say she cold.
Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried. Purified, Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Purified, Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. on the side. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. But tomorrow and I ain't worried about it. Come too far. City with the top down.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, he got his hands in it. I promise he'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him, I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God,
everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the stars. That's the only way to stay the course. Only putting trust up in the Lord. I know he's got his hands in it for sure. I know that he's a cure. In every situation you give me peace. Don't gotta be afraid cause you're in the lead. I know.
Alright y'all, so here is the reveal of my finished top. Let's get into the details. I love that I moved the slit up this much. Like, that is so cute. So cute. Perfect for summer. You guys know in Louisiana we get a long summer and it's so much better than before. I love the fringe. I love the ruffles. I love that it's not too much. It's like nothing crazy. I made the greens line up and the pink line up. The shininess of that satin was really giving me a cheap vibe, so I added some tulle. I added this tulle right here to it, and as you can see, it just toned it down perfectly. Like, it's not too shiny. It looks more expensive this way, and I was basically using a lot of new techniques I learned to really make this shirt and finish it well. I love that I didn't leave it straight across, because having it in this heart-shaped top is like way more feminine, so much more girly, and I love how high the top comes up to where I can wear my bra with it. I tried it on a lot of times to make sure it was completely lined up with where my bra straps are, because I want to completely be able to wear this shirt with a bra, and I think I accomplished that. Like, this is just so cute. As you can see, it's even cute with jeans, or I can definitely see it being more dressy, of course, because it is giving dressy. But I feel like this was a very good intro back into my sewing journey, because this top is just so cute. Yeah, this top is just so cute. I think I did a very good job on it. I couldn't have asked for better results. I love that every inch of it is finished and nothing looks like raggedy or homemade. You can't even tell that this was a flip, honestly, or upcycle. Like, it looks like I just completely made the top totally myself. But that is definitely the goal of all upcycles, just to make it look like a brand new garment, so you can't even tell what it used to be. But I am in love with these results. I'm in love with this shirt. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all are enjoying Michaela month as much as I am. More content is on the way. I am going to start sewing my birthday outfit. We're going to see how that comes out. We're going to see if I get it out by my birthday. But I hope you all enjoyed this little video. It was a longer one, but more sewing and creative content is on the way for 2024, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed and check out the other videos that's in my In the Making playlist. You should really enjoy all of my other creative vlogs, so I hope to see you in my next video.